Top 5 eSIMs for international travelers. If you're an international traveler, you already know the pain of hunting for SIM cards in airports or dealing with outrageous roaming fees. But what if you could land, connect, and go without ever swapping out your SIM card? That's where eSIMs come in. eSIMs are digital SIM cards you can activate instantly from your phone. No need for physical cards, no need to visit a store, and for globetrotters, that's a game changer. In this video, we are breaking down the top 5 eSIMs for international travelers based on price, coverage, ease of use, and reliability. Let's count them down from 5 to 1. 5 Teifo, Ubigi. Kicking off our list is Ubigi. Ubigi offers data plans in over 190 countries, making it a solid choice for people who travel frequently across continents. Their app is clean and user-friendly, and setup is super quick. Scan a QR code and you're online. Their plans are especially strong in Europe and Asia, with very competitive pricing for regional packages. You can get multi-country coverage, which is perfect for backpackers or business travelers hopping across borders. The downside? Local rates aren't the lowest, and voice, SMS options are limited. Still, for sheer coverage and simplicity, Ubigi is a reliable pick. 4 Ho, Holafly. Next is a favorite for tourists who want unlimited data in specific countries. Holafly's biggest selling point? Unlimited data plans in over 160 destinations, including the US, Europe, Japan, and much of Latin America. If you're a heavy data user streaming, video calls, maps, and uploads, Holafly gives you peace of mind. The setup takes minutes and customer support is fast and responsive via WhatsApp. But keep in mind, unlimited doesn't always mean fast. After a certain threshold, speeds can slow down, and there's no hotspot tethering on many plans. Still, for people who just want to stay online with zero hassle, Holafly delivers. 3 Airalo. At number 3 is one of the most well-known names in the eSIM space. Why? Because Airalo offers super affordable, local, regional, and global plans with a pay-as-you-go structure. Whether you're in Thailand for a week or doing a full Euro trip, there's a plan for you. Their global plan covers 87 countries and is ideal if you're switching continents mid-trip. Plus, you can top up easily through the app and setup is seamless. It also offers some of the lowest rates per gigabyte, making it a favorite among budget travelers. The only catch? No unlimited data and limited customer support hours, but the value is hard to beat. 2 IR. Nomad. Runner-up on our list is Nomad. Nomad offers extensive coverage, simple activation, and excellent app support. What sets them apart is their global eSIM plan, which covers over 110 countries with strong LTE speeds and fair pricing. They also give you real-time data usage tracking, so you're never surprised by overages. Nomad is especially great for digital nomads or remote workers who need a reliable connection across multiple regions. While prices can be slightly higher than the user experience and consistency make it worth it. 1 IDS. GigSky. And the number 1 spot goes to GigSky. GigSky stands out with solid global coverage, easy activation, and the ability to buy plans before you even land. Their app integrates beautifully with both iOS and Android, and you can buy data for individual countries, regions, or the entire globe. GigSky is especially good for Apple users, with native support built right into iPhones and iPads. They also offer data-only SIMs for travelers who rely on WhatsApp, Messenger, or Skype to stay in touch. The pricing is fair, the speeds are strong, and the interface is clean. For frequent flyers who want flexibility and global performance, GigSky is hard to beat. So, what's the best eSIM for you? Choose if you want unlimited data. Pick Airalo for the best budget plans. Go with Nomad or Ubigi for regional or global flexibility. And if you want a smooth, no surprises experience, GigSky is your winner. Have you tried any of these eSIMs? Which one worked best during your travels? Let us know in the comments, and if this helped you save time or money on your next trip, give it a like.